Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, chunky monkey. Love that hip. Oh, it's so fun. All right, I want to try this. Nope. I really want to hip into this, right? I've seen people on videos do it, and it's just awkward. You kind of come around this corner and it sneaks up on you. But I think I need a little more speed, and it kind of just jerks you really hard, so you got to be ready for that. Commit as hard as I can. A little more speed. There we go. Minus my foot coming off. That was better. Little brake check. We're good. The fun section. Ooh, I found a little quick line through that now. Love that hip. Oh, it's so fun. That part really got so fun, in my opinion. Yeah, it's not quite as fast as it used to be, but I don't know, there's just more fun options in there, more cool features to progress on. All right, now we got a little flat section here. Trail is clear. Thank you, Elevated Trail Design. I think they're the ones who came out here and cleaned up Greenslick. Carrying on. New little features. So it'll transfer off the trail back onto it. And there's these little demoinkies here. I'm in the wrong gear. Oh yeah. A little extra something something. Okay. And now we come up on the bottom. I'm gonna try to bomb it, y'all. Gotta slow down for that. But just a little. Sharp turn here. Got that memorized. Here we go. Into the fun bit. It's the first time I've done it on my bike, actually, the new Greenslick. Woo-hoo-hoo. A little lip there. Oh yeah, this part's fun. Oh, chunky monkey. Oh yeah, there's still some good flow in here. And some chunks still. They didn't take all the chunk out, which I appreciate. Keep it spicy. Oh man. Oh, it's so good. Y'all like that? Kind of hop the corner over that rock. All right, double's coming up. Oh God, that was terrible. Terrible. Oh my God, Cleveland. Should change my channel name to Cleveland Cases Everything. Rider up. Thank you. Woo. Dude, I just flew into that corner so fast. All right, hip jump. Try to act like you know how to jump, even though I suck. Woo. Oh my God. I hit my balls on the landing. God, I really need to get some chamois again. Oh, so fun. Oh man, yeah, if y'all have not gone and ridden the new Greens Lick yet, I highly recommend it. That was my third time doing it. First time on my bike, and I finally felt like I kind of memorized a bunch of the lines and the really tricky sections, and it just went that time. It felt so good. Like, that run was so enjoyable compared to my first two, where I was just kind of seeing what was there. Oh my God. Oh God. Gravel is slippery. All right, from here, instead of going left on side hill, we're gonna go straight, and we're gonna climb, and I'm either gonna do Explorer's Loop or upper side hill. Check them both out. See what the storm damage looking like. All right, Explorer's Loop it is. I haven't done it in a long time, and yeah, I want to see what it looks like, how it rides. Overall, it's a pretty flat trail. There are a few downhill sections though, which we'll do, but at one of them, I'm gonna stop and branch off to this trail on the right, hit a little jump line. Cool. So this is usually where I'll go ahead and vomit. We're gonna go up this and hit a little jump line. Get a little roll in to this. All right, y'all, Sleepy Gap. I don't think I've ridden this trail in several years. Definitely not on the channel. Pretty fun. A lot of little cinder jumps like this. Slow down into the berm. Whew. Leaves got me drifting. Another little cinder. Slow down for the leaves. God, these leaves are slick. These are fun little jumps. Ooh, little storm damaged tree. Here's a good one. I'm not even trying to jump, I'm just floating off of them. Oh yeah, great little addition. All right, here we go. Explorer's Loop. Downhill. What is this? Counterclockwise? I think so. Cool big sweeping turn here. Stay on this outside line. Ooh, tree! That used to be wider. Now there's a tree. This is tricky. Actually, never mind. Used to feel tricky for me. I guess I've gotten better. Here we go. Creek crossing. Oh. One more little fun section now that my butt's wet. All right, now we're gonna do Pine Tree Trail up here. All right, Pine Tree Trail, gravel, more like Pine Tree double track. I haven't done this in a while. Let's see how it goes. Oh. I know we have a creek crossing coming up. Oh wow. Big tree down there from the storm. Go over this. Yeah. Straight lines. Oh, that's always a risk with the leaves. The trees make it trickier. That's why I'm still trying to remember. I'm riding on storm damage trails, and on new trails I haven't ridden since Helene. I need to be careful on. Coming up behind y'all. All right, straight away. Wow, storm damage. This whole road got beat up pretty bad. One more Hardtimes Connector. This little ridge got nailed. Look at all this. Big thanks to the trail workers. This looks like a lot of work. Yeah, wow. Some big boys. Wow. This is totally blocked up. Man. Just this little stretch probably took hours. Oh yeah, nice and clear thus far. Ooh. Yes, sir. Good old mountain biking.